everybody. Welcome to Ratchet RaceWerkz. Everybody, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Hi everybody, welcome to my new YouTube channel, Ratchet RaceWerkz, where it might not always be pretty, but it gets the job done. My name's Justin Allen, and I love cars. This channel is mainly going to consist of car stuff. You may have seen me on the interwebs before, either drifting, but probably not, or right here in this very garage working on something with that guy right there. Or Thomas Miata's YouTube channel. Does a lot of cool car stuff as well. You should definitely subscribe to him if you haven't yet. And do stuff like this. So, if you like BMWs and Miatas and V8s and drifting, or maybe you're working on a similar project at your house that you're having some trouble with, maybe you find a solution here that won't break the bank for you, and hopefully it'll help you out. So definitely check out my channel.